Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to overdraft a Woodforest bank account. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so overdrafting a Woodforest bank account means spending more money than you have available in your account, which can result in fees and other charges. Here's what you need to know about overdrafting and how to manage it with Woodforest Bank. So the first thing you need to do is understand overdrafts. So overdraft protection, automatic overdraft protection. If you have linked another Woodforest account like a savings account to your checking account, funds may be automatically transferred to cover overdrafts. And then some customers may qualify for an overdraft protection line of credit, which will cover overdrafts up to a certain limit. And overdraft services. So allows the bank to authorize and pay overdrafts for checks, automatic bill payments, and other transactions. This service may incur a fee each time an overdraft occurs. And overdraft privileges services allows the bank to authorize and pay overdrafts for everyday debit card transactions and ATM withdrawals, in addition to the standard overdraft service. So now here steps to enable and use overdraft services. So the first thing you need to do is check your eligibility. So ensure you have a qualifying account and meet the bank's criteria for overdraft services. This may include maintaining your account is in good standing and regular deposits. And then from here, enroll in overdraft protection. So online banking. So log into your Woodforest online banking account, navigate to the section for overdraft services and enroll in the desired overdraft protection option. And branch visit. So you can visit a local Woodforest branch and speak to a rep to set up overdraft protection. And also you can use customer service. So use your account. So once enrolled, you can use your account normally. If you make a transaction that exceeds your available balance, the bank's overdraft protection service will cover the shortfall up to your protection limit. And then manage overdraft responsibility. So monitor your balance. Regularly check your account balance to avoid frequent overdrafts and associated fees. Be aware of the fees associated with overdraft protection. Woodforest charge a fee for each overdraft transaction, and repeat overdrafts can lead to significant charges, so be very mindful of that. And then from here, repay overdrafts promptly. So ensure you deposit funds to cover any overdrafts as soon as possible to avoid additional fees, because no one likes to pay additional fees, and maintain your account is in good standing. And some things to avoid. So avoiding overdrafts. So set up alerts. Use online banking to set up accounts balance alerts, which can notify you when your balance is low. Number 2 here, create a budget. So maintain a budget to manage your spending and avoid overdrawing your account, and keep a cushion. So maintain a buffer of funds in your account to cover unexpected expenses. And now some important considerations here as a side note. So review Woodforest terms and conditions for overdraft services to understand all fees and requirements, and consider alternatives to overdraft protection, such as setting up direct deposits, arranging for automatic transfers to savings, or using a personal line of credit.